The apple, a simple fruit yet so profound in its impact. A fruit so ubiquitous, so ingrained in our cultures, that it transcends mere food to become a symbol. It's a part of our daily lives, a staple in our diets, and a muse in our art and literature. From ancient myths to modern-day technology, the apple holds a captivating allure. In mythology, it was the fruit of knowledge, temptation, and even immortality. Today, it's a symbol of innovation and progress. Its sweet, crisp bite has tantalized taste buds for millennia. The satisfying crunch, the burst of juice, the perfect balance of sweet and tart, it's a sensory delight. Its vibrant colors and distinct aroma awaken senses. The sight of a basket of apples, the smell of a freshly picked fruit, it's an experience that evokes memories and emotions. Across the globe, from the bustling streets of Mumbai to the quiet countryside of France, the apple enjoys a universal appeal. It's a fruit that transcends borders and cultures, a common thread in the fabric of humanity. Perhaps it's the apple's versatility that makes it so beloved. Eaten fresh, baked into pies, squeezed into juice, or fermented into cider, the apple adapts to countless culinary whims. It's a fruit that can be enjoyed in so many ways, each one as delightful as the next. The apple adapts to countless culinary whims, from gourmet dishes in high-end restaurants to simple snacks in school lunchboxes. It's a fruit that fits into every meal and occasion. Or maybe it's the fruit's association with health, whispered in the adage, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," that cements its place in our hearts. It's a symbol of wellness, a natural remedy that's been trusted for generations. Whatever the reason, the apple's popularity is undeniable. It's a fruit that brings people together, a common joy that's shared across the world. This humble fruit, grown in orchards across the globe, holds a special place in the human story. It's a testament to the bond between humans and nature, a relationship that's nurtured through generations. Its journey, from a tiny seed to a juicy fruit, is a testament to nature's ingenuity and the enduring partnership between humans and plants. It's a story of growth, of patience, and of the simple joys that come from the earth. The uninitiated might assume that planting an apple orchard is as simple as scattering seeds. You might envision a picturesque scene where seeds are sown into the fertile soil, and in a few years a bountiful orchard springs to life. However, the reality is far more nuanced and complex than it appears at first glance. While apple trees do produce seeds, planting them directly often yields unpredictable results. Each seed carries a unique genetic code, leading to a wide variety of outcomes. The offspring of these seeds, far from being identical to the parent tree, may bear fruit that is small, sour, or otherwise undesirable. This variability can be a significant issue for those seeking consistency in their apple production. This genetic lottery is a gamble commercial growers can't afford to take. For them, the stakes are high, and the need for reliable, high-quality fruit is paramount. Enter the art of grafting, a horticultural technique practiced for millennia. This method allows growers to bypass the genetic unpredictability of seeds. Grafting involves joining a cutting, or scion, from a desirable apple variety onto a compatible rootstock. This process ensures that the new tree will produce fruit identical to the scion's parent tree. This rootstock, typically a different apple variety chosen for its hardiness or disease resistance, provides the foundation for the new tree. It supports the scion and helps it thrive in various environmental conditions. The scion, carrying the genetic blueprint of the desired apple variety, grows and bears fruit true to its parent. This technique ensures that the apples produced are consistent in quality, taste, and appearance, making grafting an indispensable tool in modern apple cultivation. Planting an apple orchard is a long-term investment, a commitment to nurturing trees that will bear fruit for years to come. The journey begins with selecting the right location. Apple trees thrive in well-drained soil and full sun, requiring ample space to spread their branches. Once the site is chosen, the grafted saplings are carefully planted, ensuring the graft union remains above the soil line. The first few years are critical for young apple trees. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, to establish a strong root system. Pruning too plays a vital role, shaping the tree's structure and promoting airflow to prevent diseases. As the trees mature, they require ongoing care, including fertilization, pest control, and occasional thinning of fruit to ensure optimal size and quality. Life in an apple orchard follows a distinct rhythm, a yearly cycle dictated by the ever-changing seasons. Spring heralds a period of renewal with dormant buds bursting forth in a vibrant display of pink and white blossoms. This is a time of intense activity, as bees and other pollinators flit from flower to flower, their crucial work ensuring the development of fruit. As spring transitions into summer, the delicate petals of apple blossoms fall away, revealing tiny green fruits clinging to the branches. The orchard hums with the sound of growth, as apples swell and mature under the warm, nurturing sun. Summer's long days are dedicated to photosynthesis, the process by which trees convert sunlight into energy, fueling the development of sugars that give apples their delightful sweetness. Section 5. From blossom to fruit. The crucial role of pollination. The transformation of an apple blossom into a fruit is a marvel of nature, a process reliant on the intricate dance between plant and pollinator. Apple trees, for the most part, are self-incompatible, meaning they require pollen from a different apple variety to produce fruit. This is where pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and even some birds come into play. As these winged creatures visit apple blossoms in search of nectar, they inadvertently collect pollen grains on their bodies. When they move from the flower of one apple variety to another, they transfer these pollen grains, fertilizing the flower and initiating the development of fruit. Without this crucial pollination process, apple trees would produce few, if any, apples. Section 6. Harvest time: picking, processing, and preserving apples. By late summer or early autumn, depending on the variety, the orchard transforms once again. The branches, heavy with ripe fruit, signal the arrival of harvest time. Picking apples is a labor-intensive process, often requiring teams of workers to carefully hand-harvest the fruit at its peak. Each apple is gently twisted and lifted from the branch, ensuring the stem remains intact to prevent damage and prolong shelf life. Once harvested, the apples are sorted, graded, and swiftly transported to packing facilities. Here, they undergo further inspection, washing, and sometimes waxing to enhance their appearance and extend their freshness. Apples destined for long-term storage are often treated with a gas that slows down the ripening process, allowing them to be enjoyed year-round. Section 7. $1 trillion fruit. The economic impact of apples. The humble apple, a staple in kitchens worldwide, plays a surprisingly significant role in the global economy. The apple industry, encompassing everything from orchard management and harvesting to processing, packaging, and distribution, generates billions of dollars annually. This economic powerhouse provides livelihoods for millions of people across the globe. Beyond the direct economic impact, the apple industry supports a vast network of ancillary businesses. Transportation companies, packaging manufacturers, and agricultural suppliers all rely on the apple industry for a portion of their revenue. Furthermore, the apple's cultural significance has spawned a thriving tourism industry, with apple festivals, orchard tours, and cider tastings attracting visitors from far and wide. Section 8. From orchard to our table. A journey of growth, harvest, and global commerce. The apple's journey from a tiny seed to our tables is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature, agriculture, and global commerce. It all starts with a single seed, planted in the rich soil, nurtured by the sun and rain, and cared for by dedicated farmers. It's a story that begins with the careful grafting of trees, a delicate process that ensures the best qualities of the apple are preserved and passed on to future generations. The patient nurturing of orchards, where each tree is tended to with love and expertise, ensuring they grow strong and healthy, and the crucial role of pollinators. Bees and other insects play an essential part in the growth of apples, transferring pollen from flower to flower, enabling the fruit to develop. It's a journey that involves the hard work of farmers, who harvest the apples at just the right time, and the ingenuity of scientists, who continually research ways to improve apple varieties and cultivation techniques, and the intricate logistics of global supply chains. From the moment the apples are picked, they are carefully sorted, packed, and transported across the world, ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. The next time you bite into a crisp, juicy apple, remember the journey it has taken. Each bite is a culmination of months, even years, of hard work and dedication. Take a moment to appreciate the complex journey it undertook to reach you. From the seed to the tree, from the orchard to the store, every step is a marvel of nature and human effort. From the orchard where it grew to the store where you bought it, the apple's journey is a remarkable story of collaboration and care. The apple's story is a reminder of the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Each apple is a symbol of the connection between the earth, the farmers, the scientists, and the consumers. It's a story of growth, harvest, and the vital role this humble fruit plays in our world. The apple is more than just a fruit, it's a testament to the power of nature and human ingenuity working together.